Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Joey and this is my little section of the internet, Burtoni Motors. In today's video, I'm gonna be talking about my 2021 Honda CRF300L Rally. Kind of new to the channel. I picked up this bike a few weeks ago, hell, at this point, maybe a week ago, and then immediately got it home from Ohio to Michigan, started cutting it up, new bars, what else? New bars, tail tidy kit, new foot pegs, a whole bunch of fun stuff. Basically in preparation to go on this road trip that I've already embarked upon. I left my home in Michigan, now I'm in Colorado. That's why this garage doesn't look like my normal garage, because I'm actually already at my mom's house. In 3 days time, I'm heading west, going from Utah, Colorado to Utah to California to Arizona, back to Utah, back to Colorado, in this kind of like 4-week trip with my Bronco with the CRF on the back, just trying to get some trails in. Today's video is going to be really short, very short. Zeta, we got a heel guard for the CRF. It's gonna go right here. Basically, I'm gonna remove that plastic because we don't want that. We're gonna replace it with a nice piece of, I don't know if it's anodized. I think it's anodized. I'm not sure what that term means. I think it's anodized. It's anodized metal. Just kind of clean it up, lighten it up. I don't know if it's gonna lighten it up, but it's definitely gonna add a little more protection. I've got a lot of Zeta parts on the bike already if you haven't watched some of my other videos. But let's jump over to the bike. Well, I guess let's unwrap this. There's not much to it, just like 4 screws. We don't have to unwrap this. There's 4 bolts, a spacer, and then the protector. That's it. Let's jump to the bike. Let's start working on this. Let's get this video done. So we've got everything we need. I'm just gonna tuck that up in the seat. These 4 bolts, the spacers fit on 2, and it seems like we're only going to need 2 of them. But instead of having different bolts for different kits, Zeta just added all of the bolts to 1 kit, and you pick and choose what you need. Get this off. Should be the 8. Yeah, another 8. A lot of 8s on this bike. Oh, there we go. You do lose this sticker, so I'm going to take a photo of this sticker, and I have a nice little section on my phone with all my notes, all this information, just because it's nice to have. Let's see, so we have these 2, both 8s. Then it looks like there's something up here. An 8? Yeah, it is. All of this is just gonna pull straight off. That was easy. Before we figure out which one's which, let's see. So it's definitely not the smaller one with the spacer, but it's the thicker of the 2 bolts. Put those bolts away. Like a lot of things on my bike, I'm gonna add a little blue Loctite, screw them in. So 1 second as I grab that. Let's do 1 at a time. A little blue Loctite on this bad boy. Ba-boy. Bolt to that seat. Basically finger tight. Grab the blue Loctite, do the other bolt. Take the cap off. It's on the tip of the thread, so then it self-lubricates itself all the way down. Then same thing here. Snug that down. And guys, that's not going anywhere. Remember what I said though? Grab our phone and take a photo of what was on the back of that. All of this information, all those bolts went flying. On here is cold tire pressure, maximum weight, load, tire size. We've got all that information. So, it's there, easy. Take 3 bolts off, put 2 bolts in. It took maybe 4 minutes. It took me 20 because I had to film it, all of that. But very easy thing to do. And you get rid of, wait 1 second. You get rid of this giant clunker piece of plastic. It just cleans up the bike so much better. Love it. Guest appearance by my mother. She actually didn't appear, but she came out of the garage. All good. But this is not the first. This is one of many CRF300 Rally videos up on my channel. If you guys haven't seen those before, there's probably 5 or 6 videos at this point already up, and there's going to be 15, 20 more as I do all these tours on this bike. I go to Moab and Southern California, and I want to do this ride from Michigan, where I'm based, up through Canada, and back down in like Maine and New York, and back over to Michigan. Lots of content coming on this bike, and I cannot wait because you know what? This is one of the coolest bikes I've ever owned. I don't know why, I'm just so excited to be back on a Honda. It's been so long, but that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, like button, subscribe button, comment button, do all those buttons. Share it with your friends, share it with your mom. Even if they're not even interested in motorcycles or they hate me, they have a t-shirt that says, I hate Joey Burtoni. What a booger eating dork. Still send it to them. Appreciate it. Bye guys.